Hello students, now let us try to understand the preparation of alcohols. How can you prepare? There are so many methods of preparation of alcohol, student. Firstly, we are studying the from alkene. And from alkene, even that is also first method is there. And from alkene, what is the first method is there, student? By acid catalyzed hydration. What is acid catalyzed hydration, student? Acid catalyzed hydration. Acid catalyzed hydration. Okay, means what is there, student? Acid catalyzed hydration means that is H2SO4 will be H2SO4 or any other acid act as a catalyst, right, student? So that you keep in mind, student. Next point, what they are saying, student: alkenes react with water in the presence of acid as a catalyst to form the alcohols. In case of unsymmetrical alkene, the addition reaction takes place in accordance to Markovnikov rule. Okay, this is also given in the 11th standard, unit 13, that is Markovnikov rule. So here alkenes are there reacting with the water in presence of acid H plus, it is giving the alcohols. If unsymmetrical alkenes, it is again giving the alcohol. Now see the mechanism, student. The mechanism of the reaction involve the following three steps. First is protonation of alkenes to form the carbocation by electrophilic attack of H3O plus ion. Now this is the what we got, student, that is carbocation. You got nucleophilic attack of water molecule on the carbocation. So what is give no protonated alcohol. This is what, student? This is the protonated alcohols. Okay, these protonated alcohols, deprotonation will be taking place with the help of water molecule as a base. This is acting and this is giving the alcohols. Now student, let us try to understand in detail. See, we are having the water H2O and we are having the acid HSO4 minus. No, you can write minus or you don't write minus, that doesn't affect our answers. Okay, so better let it be HSO4, right? So this is having the lone pair electron. This will take this hydrogen and it will shift like that. So it will form, that is what, student, H3O, and that is will form HSO4 minus. This is what, hydronium ion. Okay, student. So what we are, either you write, suppose you are having that is CH2 double bond CH2, right? Either you write two things, you can write, either you write H3O plus, so you will get the alcohol, you know you will get that is CH3CH2OH, or if anyone is writing this way, CH2, double bond CH2, and it is reacting with the water and in presence of H plus, that is also no problem. You can have that is same things is there, CH2OH, because H2O plus H plus, this is H3O plus. So this way you can be there. Now mechanism, you see, student, mechanism. So if you want to see the mechanism, student, it involved in the three steps, student. The mechanism is three step. Step number one. Okay, so step number one, when you are talking about step number one, student, so protonation of alkenes to form carbocation. In this step protonation of alkene takes place. Protonation of alkenes takes place. How it is taking place, student? See, CH2, firstly you keep in mind that is H2O is there and plus H plus from the acid, so it will attack here, it give the H3O plus, student, right? So CH2 double bond CH2 is there plus H3O plus is there, HOH, and here is H, this is the positive charge. So this will attack here. Okay, so this will go here. So what it will form, student? It will form CH2 single bond CH2, this is positive charge, plus it will give that is water molecule, right? Now see, this is the step number 1. Now step number 2. You see the step number 2. So if you talk about step number 2, student, so that is, this is the CH2, attack of, you can write that is, student, attack of, okay, attack of water molecule, attack of water molecule on carbocation, water molecule on carbocation, attack of water molecules on carbocation, okay, carbocations, okay. So you see CH2 is there, and CH2, this is a positive charge, plus here is what, student, that is water molecule is there. So it is lone pair electron. This lone pair electron will attack here, okay. So what it will give, student, this is CH3 is there, student, not CH2, CH3 this is, okay, because this hydrogen gone to this carbon. So this is, so what it will give, student, it will give CH3, it will give, that is CH2, it will give O, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, here is positive charge, right, student. Up now step number 3, you see, student, step number 3. So deprotonation will be there, deprotonation, okay, with base or water molecule, okay, or water molecule. So how it can be the deprotonation, students? So let us try to understand the deprotonation. So deprotonation will be CH3, okay, CH3, and then it will be, that is CH2, and here is O, this is the H, here is also H, and this is the positive charge, student, and it is reacting with what, water molecule, okay. So H2O is there. So this is having the lone pair electron, student. So what it will do, it will take this hydrogen, okay, and this will be shifting here. So what the product it will form, student, you see, it will form, that is CH3, CH2, and OH. No, this is CH2, and this is what, student, that is OH plus H3O plus, again at the end of the reaction it is also coming out. So this is what is the alcohols. This is the our mechanism of the alkenes, student. Now we will see the another mechanism. Thank you so much for watching, students.